Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Time to link with First Republic Mortgage Bankers right now. We have Rajin, my brethren, the smooth operator. All right, ladies, so look on him, all right, over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. He's in the building right now on a Wednesday evening. Nice and kind of, cold on the outside, but we can work with it right now, you see?
And let me let you know, Sean, I already made sure I had my tickets ready. I got my shoes ready. I got my clothes ready. I can't wait till next week. Trust me, I'm already there.
You're already there, right? Way ahead of everybody else.
Way ahead.
That's right. And speaking about way ahead of everybody else, folks, we have First Republic Mortgage Bankers live and direct in the building. We have Rajin in the building and definitely doing big things over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Now, Rajin, man, let's reach out to everybody in the tri-state right now. All the folks in New York, all the folks in Connecticut, all the folks in New Jersey.
Yes.
Everyone is locking in 5.5% for refinancing over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
Right.
Everyone is looking to take some cash out. Everyone is looking to annihilate those credit cards, consolidate those bills.
That's right.
Why is it so urgent for them right now to refinance?
Well, first of all, I mean, the main thing is you don't want to go into the new year with all these bills. You don't want to, go shopping out there for Christmas gifts and know that you got a ton of bills on your head and go into the new year with all of that. So the first thing is, look, the rates are tremendously low. Tremendous. I mean, if you look back a couple years ago, they actually say that this is the lowest it's been since about 4 or 5 years ago when they had that huge refinance boom all across the nation. The rates are that low again. So we have an opportunity. It's come back around where we can actually take advantage of getting very, very low rates that are available. So if you're doing that, then if you have the rates, why not take care of your needs right now? Why not? If you could get a 5.5 rate, right, Sean? Pay off cars that are 21%, 22%, 15%, whatever it is. Why not do that? Some people, I just refinanced this guy. He had $65,000 worth of debt.
Wow.
$65,000. When we added that up, I mean, think about how long it would have taken him to pay each one of those off on his own. And he had the equity. He only owed $250,000 on his home.
Whoa.
The value of his home is $650,000. So why should he have the headache of every single month making all those payments as soon as he gets a check? That's what he said. He said, Raj, as soon as I get a check, guess what? I got to choose this one to pay off, that one to pay off, this one to send a bill off to. And he had the money sitting there. And for most of us, we do. We have a lot of equity in the house, and we have a ton of credit card bills. So why not annihilate it? Why not get rid of every single bill? Get rid of the car note, the student loan, the credit card bills. Consolidate it all, the home equity. Get one low fixed payment. That's it. That's the way to go.
All right, folks, we're speaking with Roger from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. He's definitely giving you the benefits of refinancing right now. So give him a ring in the studios at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make that phone call right now, because a lot of folks out there like to procrastinate, sit around like a couch potato, and wait till the time they think the time is there for them to refinance. So, but when does it? I mean, when does it really make sense for folks to refinance?
Now.
Period.
I say that. But, the truth is, like you were saying, Sean, you know what? The people that sit down, that relax, that think, you know what? Oh, well, guess what? I knew rates were going to come back down again, right? Guess what? Those are the ones that are going to wait and keep thinking rates are going to come down. And then when it starts to go back up, they're going to want to try and get the low rate, but it's not going to be available. And that's what we're always telling people when we're on the radio. If you have the opportunity to lock in at a very low fixed rate, do not procrastinate. Do not waste your time. Call in right now and lock it in. I mean, like we were talking earlier, Sean. We're fortunate that rates are low right now, and the feds have dropped the rates to kind of spark the market and the economy. But guess what? It's not going to last forever. And many, many major banks and entities out there are having problems. So why wait until things get worse? You have an opportunity now, take advantage of it. Do not wait.
Do not hesitate.
That's it.
All right, folks, link up Rajan in the building right now for refinancing at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make the phone call right now. The man is here on a Wednesday evening. He's rare form. He's really in the studio, but today is your day to speak with Rajan, the real big man over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Right. All right. Now, Rajan, a lot of folks want to consolidate those bills by their refinancing that home, that loan that they have. Can they do so right now?
Of course. And let's not forget to tell the folks that we do have a 30-year conventional fixed rate at 5.5% rate.
Nice.
We do have an FHA at 5.5% rate. We do have a 15-year mortgage at 4.875%. And we do have also, I'm just giving all the rates right now.
Not a problem.
And we have purchasing rates at 3.875, 4.875, and 5.875. That's the 2-1 buy down or the two-step program.
Right.
So we have tremendous amount of rates that are available. And like you were saying, Sean, of course, people can consolidate their debts
easily.
That's it.
One simple phone call.
5 minutes of your time.
Yeah.
We were here Monday evening. I mean, it was a tremendous response. And many of those people were able to get locked in at 5.5. And you know what's funny? The 15-year right now is very popular because people are cutting their terms off. 4.875 for a 15-year term. Why not get out of a 30-year or a 20-year into a 15 and cut your terms out? So, you know, it's a way to really save money.
Right.
And we're offering all of those programs.
And that's the whole idea. For all the folks out there to save some money, take some cash out. Because a lot of folks out there have never, ever refinanced in their entire life.
And got a ton of money sitting in the house.
Truckload of money just sitting on their house.
And every day waking up wanting to know how they could pay this bill and pay that. It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense at all.
Why have all that money there in the house and then have all the worries on your hand of paying bills? It's one simple step. Take it, cash out, pay off the bills, have one low monthly payment. That's it. Stress-free. It's the way to be.
It's the way to be, right? All right, folks, we're speaking with Rajan for First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Make the phone call right now, 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make the phone call right now. Rajan gonna let you go, grab those phone lines, bring you back in the studios one more time to rewind the folks' mind, all right?
Sounds good.
All right, so we're gonna let you go grab the phone line because a lot of folks are calling right now. Good credit, bad credit, no credit. You're looking to refinance at 5.5, make the phone call right now, link up with Rajan. You're looking to purchase at 3.875, then 4.87, and then 5.87, right?
Yes,
That's how it works, the two-step program. All
Yes.
right, you want to purchase a home, or you first-time home buyers or homeowners who are looking to have a home right now and looking for the loan, make sure you link up with First Republic Mortgage Bankers. All you homeowners right now paying more than 7%, refinance. Make the call now, 718-325-5555. Rajan has the lines blaze as usual, man. Gonna let you go and grab those phone lines and help all these folks out there, all right?